So here I am sitting at on my roof, spraying it off with a garden hose. I think my neighbors, I know my neighbors think I have problems to begin with. When they saw me doing this, I think they really questioned my sanity. What I did is I put a link down below and I'll show you a quick clip here. I got this adapter. It's a 1/2 inch female to 3/4 inch male garden hose thread adapter, brass fitting. And I screwed that to the shower that's in the bathroom very close to the window, close to where I'm sitting here. And then hooked up a garden hose and then cranked it on hot. And I started off from the window spraying, and as it went down, I got out on the roof and it really worked great. All you need is that piece. I put a link down below, and you just hook it up to your shower head, and then you hook the hose up to that, and it works great. It worked great for me. So hopefully this helps. If you have any ice dams, hope you have a great day. Take it easy.